Greetings everyone, welcome to, wait, what is it? Capricorn? Welcome to Capricorn's message. To our new friends, welcome. And our returning friends, welcome back. This is your message, Capricorn, for the month of October. We will be seeing what is coming towards you in love and romance for the month of October. Capricorn, if you find that you resonate with this message, do like, share, and subscribe. I don't know, I feel like I want to start with these first. Seriously. So, coming towards Capricorn in love and romance, Holy Spirit. Okay, no. Yes, it no. Coming towards Capricorn and love and romance for the month of October. So, indecisions. Coming towards Capricorn and love and romance, Holy Spirit. Coming towards Capricorn and love and romance, Holy Spirit. Letting go of control issues. Okay. Okay, Capricorn. Letting go of control issues here. Make a decision. Let go of control issues. So we have letting go of control issues. Spirit is suggesting that you allow things to just flow naturally. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Let go of control. Y'all see how, thank you, Spirit. Y'all see how I was starting off with these cards, then I tried to switch to those, and it was like, Spirit said no, go back to these. So you're learning how to allow things to unfold naturally. You're learning how to just let things to go with the flow of things. Listen more to what Spirit is your instructions that you're receiving. So taking the time to be able to listen and meditate, relax, position yourself so that you can hear the messages that are coming from the divine, and you can act accordingly. This is positioning you to call in your soulmate. You're calling in your soulmate, and Spirit is saying when you do that, trust that the divine has got your back. Trust that the decision that you're making is something that is going to serve your highest good. So calling in your soulmate, using your prayers and affirmations to call in your soulmate. So you're using your prayers and your affirmations. You're trying to pray, trying to continue to use your affirmations, so, and trust that the universe has your not even starburst. Somebody could like starburst. That the universe has your back. Trusting that the universe has your back and got you covered here when you're in your decision making. bringing you to a place where you can have the faith. Having faith in the divine. Having the faith that, you know, the universe is guiding you. Okay. Now, just letting go of control issues for Capricorn. Just letting go of control issues here for Capricorn. Y'all, I hope the lighting is alright. I don't know what is going on with the lighting, but we just gonna rock with it. Rock with it. Don't rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. Work the middle, work the middle. Aaliyah. Change position. So you could be changing, y'all could be changing, y'all could be relocating. Something that has happened that has rocked the boat and has forced or caused some type of movement. And we got sailing away. Sailing. Baby, come back. Somebody's saying come back. Sailing. You could have sailed on for away from something or left something behind, and due to you leaving it behind, now you are calling in your soulmate. You may chose to leave something behind, let something go. Something that you were trying to control, the outcome of something, and trusting. Now you can trust that you're in a good place, or trust that you're in a good position to working together with the divine, to call in your soulmate by using your affirmations, visualizations. Wow. Letting go of control issues. Come on, we got to get this card out for another song come in. Letting go of control issues. Okay. It's virtue. Virtue. Okay. So, you acknowledge your loving spiritual attributes. This encourages others to grow. So you've grown. And now you're experiencing a sense of harmony here, working together with the divine, positioning yourself. Now that you are in this position, at harmony and harmonious with the divine, calling in your soulmate, trusting that the divine is bringing this to you. Wow. You're able to feel a love and balanced connection with everything. You feel it. That goes together with calling in your soulmate. This harmonious, in harmony, working together, in sync with the divine. Okay, when not the group, but you're in sync with the divine. So you could be listening to some in sync. You could be, that could have been your favorite group. Could be your favorite group. So, nevertheless, you're positioning yourself. You have positioned yourself now to where you can call in, you know, your soulmate with this harmony. You can call in this balanced connection. You're in perfect harmony with everything. You're in alignment. You're in alignment now. Now that you're in alignment and you're trusting, the universe has your back. The universe is taking it from there. Wow. Because you let go. You may not have understood where you are or why certain things was happening or why certain things were taking place. Some of you could be thirsty, drinking water. Drink water if you're thirsty. Someone could be 30. Nevertheless, it says you could have not understood. Thank you, Spirit. You could not have understood why you were going through certain things. Why certain things, thank you, where you were experiencing certain things in your, at this point in your life. And now that you do, you learn not to question and let go of control. Allow yourself to let go of control and trying to control the situation. You have positioned yourself to a place where you're in harmony and in sync with the divine. Everything's in alignment here. So you may have felt as though with this you can't do this right now. You may felt as though you couldn't do something, you couldn't take some form of action. So you may have felt as though you couldn't take some form of action, but I feel as though you may have felt that it was too hard for you to let go of control. You may have felt as though it was just way too hard. But once you started to do so, you started to realize and see the virtue in that, and how virtuous you were in doing so. And now it has given you a sense, brought you to a place where you can trust the divine and trust yourself, trust your actions, and trust that you're in harmony with the divine right now. Perfect harmony and aligned with the divine. Oh, look at this. We got trust again. You're in sync with the divine. You're in unity. You're one. So, wow. You're in sync. You're aligned. Divine alignment. So, and now you can call in your soulmate. You're calling in your soulmate. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Something about a place. This place and this position and point in time. So, wow. Is there anything, Holy Spirit, that they need to know from this film? Okay. Anything that they need to know? Anything that they need to know from this stuff, Holy Spirit? Hooked on a feeling. So now you're hooked on feeling. You're feeling good. You're feeling glorious at this time. You're feeling glorious. You're feeling joyful. You're feeling great because you're in alignment. You're feeling virtuous. And now also you're in a place that you can encourage others to let go of control issues and allow things to just happen naturally, flow naturally for you. Wow. So thank you guys, and until next time, remember to do everything with love, strength, and grace. Floored. Somebody is floored. You're floored. You're happy. Floored. You're floored. So somebody is floored. You're happy. Surprised. Maybe you were surprised that you were able to let go of control issues. Let go of control. Or that you were able to trust. Or that even floored that you're seeing some something, you're seeing something, you're seeing something, you're seeing something, you're seeing something come to pass. Nevertheless, on your way out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ciao, y'all.